Yo, 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 what up YouTube? So you know who it is, West Coast Gems.
West Coast Goods.
And today we are doing part 2 of our unboxing video. You remember...
Do you want to tell them why we're doing part 2 first?
Okay, it's a funny story, you guys.
Not funny, guys.
It's very... Okay, it's not funny at all. But we recorded part 1 of our unboxing video. We did about an hour's worth of recording last week. And I go to stop my iPhone from recording, and then Sam makes a joke saying, oh, it didn't record, did it? It literally didn't record. So
it recorded the first half hour, but the last 40 minutes weren't recorded. So we are going to redo that today and then finish the rest of the unboxing.
I don't know how I did it. Like, I just didn't think about it. I didn't put my phone on airplane mode. And then our son called us. Yeah,
so let's jump right into it. I think we left off on the gift that was sent to us from Mexican Picker, if you want to show that.
Sure.
This isn't something we bought to resell. I commented on the Mexican Picker's post about these Olympic pins, because I collect Disney and Olympic pins, and the homie was nice enough to ship them for me as a gift. So
sweet.
Shout out to Mexican Picker.
Yes.
Hopefully we can come catch you in Oklahoma and catch a game. We tried to make that happen on March 1st, but they're unable to get a sitter, so we're going to have to do it another day. Yeah. But I appreciate it.
Yes, thank you again for those pins. And we're just going to jump into it because we have a lot to get through. So this first package is from Macy's.
Your favorite store.
You know what, I was gonna say something also about how fresh you look today.
Yeah, so I just found out she bought this sweater while sourcing at Macy's because it didn't look familiar. And she always has to buy one thing for every 5 that she buys to flip.
I don't always.
You can't spend $100 on a sweater, buy 5 items to make 100, and think you're making money. Doesn't work like that.
I work hard, and so I treat myself every once in a while, but...
Every once in a while? Or
but I
every
was actually there to purchase items for our daughter. So I was being a good parent.
Yeah. Parenting goals. What do we have here? Oh, I know what those are.
I was actually afraid right now. I thought this was something that I
bought for yourself.
It's thought that as many as 8 million people in the UK have a compulsive buying disorder.
That I might have ordered.
Alright, so
okay.
If you guys remember from video 1, we had those Tommy Hill plaid vest. We got 2 more of them. If you don't remember, we paid $6 a pop for them. MSRP I think was $120 or $130. We are going to list these on eBay and Posh. What do we say, $39.99?
I don't recall.
Yeah, I think $39.99 or best offer. And like I said, we paid $6, so
yeah,
great find. You can just throw it in there, babe. I'm going to list all those this weekend.
Worried because we have 2 massive dogs.
So if you guys haven't heard, the best part about what we're doing now is Misty has 100% taken over our Amazon account.
Yes.
So I don't do anything Amazon related anymore. I just handle eBay, our West Coast Deals group, and our eBay group, and she does all the Amazon. So we're hoping that splitting between the 2 platforms can, help us each, maintain focus on each platform, and hopefully we can raise both numbers.
Yeah, we're gonna try it out, see what happens, but so far it's been working out amazing because I know exactly what I need to do that day. Sam's doing the same thing.
Yeah, because I'm usually all over the place. Posh, eBay, Amazon. So just being able to focus on eBay and Posh, I think is going to be huge. So you want to show them what we got?
So these, if you did tune in to part 1 of this video, these are those Jordan bright pink visors.
They were $5 each, no receipt. They were $5 each. We're going to put them on eBay for 15 to 20. I don't know offhand, but anything Jordan and Nike, you guys know, all day.
No.
Let's start over here and work our way this way.
Okay, that works. You want to open some?
I would love to, my love. Let's go into that.
Okay, so this is something
we unboxed in part 1, but didn't record.
So we thought that it was like $30 30 minutes of content that we did record that we unboxed.
But we're going to do it again for you guys.
So,
we don't miss out on
if you
anything.
see that they were open, it's because they were the second part of our video that was not captured because my
Somebody
phone,
doesn't know about airplane mode.
my phone stopped recording. But
So these were an eBay buy. This is going to be an eBay to eBay flip. I bought 10 pairs of brand new Oakley glasses. The total was $508 for all 10 pairs, making them $50 a pair. These are gonna go on eBay. They're all different, so they're $89 to $139. So don't sleep on eBay to eBay flips. There's a lot of money to be made. One thing when sourcing Ray-Bans and Oakleys, make sure you buy from someone legit. If you don't know that they're legit, inspect them when you get them, because I'll tell you about 80% of Oakleys and Ray-Bans being sold online are counterfeit.
And Sam goes in detail researching how to spot out the fake ones, and we've gotten a few.
We've got lots.
Yeah.
So you're always able to return, so don't be scared about buying, but just make sure you check them because you don't want to buy counterfeit and sell counterfeit. But like I said, we bought 10 pairs here. They're $508, and they're going to go anywhere from $89 to $129-ish a pair. So great buy. That was a sale that we found on Slick Deals.
What is 129-ish?
129-ish.
Is that almost like a...
It's like almost 130, 120.
That's like a 29er, but a 29-ish.
All right, here you go, baby. Another thing we shared in episode 1.
Yes. So as you know, we've mentioned before, we purchase in quantity because we're doing a lot of OA, and OA allows you to do that.
Sorry.
Damn! Miss Parker finer than a motherfucker. Damn.
Hey, we're doing the video.
I got sidetracked.
Anyways, this color, dope. Brand,
Not dope.
I mean, you know.
At West Coast Gyms doesn't like Champion, if you don't know by now.
It's beautiful. It's a pretty color.
All right. What do we pay? $250 or $5, and that's gonna go 15 to 20 on eBay and Posh. Here you go, babe.
These are those cute
Tube tops.
Yeah, cute tube tops that
We've already sold 2 of in the last week.
West Coast Goods wanted to try on, but told them you can't. It's not okay for men to wear tube tops.
I don't know, if it gets us the likes, I'm willing to do it. But we've already sold 2 of them in the last week at $16, one on Posh, one on eBay. All right.
So sorry to bore you with quantity, but with OA, if you do OA yourself, that's the benefit.
Yep. Unlike going into Marshall's, Ross, TJ, where you can only find 1 or 2 items, you can buy items in bulk. Ooh, that's cool.
This is very bright, and oh, it's Adidas.
And
I
no
like
receipt.
Adidas.
All right, no receipt, but I know I paid $2.50 for those, and that's going to go for 15 to 17 on both eBay and Posh.
Nice.
All right, let's
Better post that quickly. It's like summer the last couple days in Cali. I know a few people messaged me that it's still snowing in their area or they're dealing with floods, so I wish I could
Oops.
send some of our sunshine your way. Here is another one of those Champion beanies that we showed you in part 1 of these videos, where we paid $5, well, $4.50, and we sell these for about
15 to 20 depending on model, but the most popular models of Champion are anything with the big C logo.
Yeah.
Actually, with any brand,
Yeah,
if you see the big
any big logo.
Polo, the big Tommy, especially the big Tommy flag, that's really popular. But anything big logo, I would look up. So on to the next one. We purchased about 100 pairs of Adidas slides. That's what a lot of these bigger box items are. And guys, don't be scared of big sizes. This is size 18. This is size 16. I think we bought about 5 in every size and every color on Adidas.com. These were about $6.60 a pop. I think they had 40% off, and then we got another 9% off doing Raise.com, which is a gift card company.
That is a big ass shoe, babe. That's like my arm.
But we got everything from size, I think, 8 all the way through 18.
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
But like I said, we picked up every color, every size, and you should be seeing a lot of these as we unbox. But like I said, look up sold comps on big items and don't be scared of them. Our biggest seller is size 13 and 14 in shoes. A lot of people won't pick up size 13 and 14. We just sold a pair of Kobe's that were a size 21 that we picked up at Ross. And I think we picked them up, they were on sale, I think $9.99. We flipped them for $129. So even, you know, size 18, 19, 20, as long as they're basketball shoes and you see sold comps, don't be scared of them.
Think so. Here is another finish line.
Hey, we got a receipt this time.
These are those pants that the warm-up pants that we opened in part 1 of this video.
$5, and that is going to go on eBay and Posh for $29.99.
MSRP was $70 on that.
All right, so I know what's in here, and let's go over this and let's talk about this. And I think there's another one of these, right? These are the shoes I bought from the kid on Instagram.
Yes.
So a kid on Instagram reached out to me, tried to make a deal for 39 pairs of shoes. I picked them all up from him. We paid, I don't remember what the total was, but I know the breakdown was $23 a pair. Let's see what we got in here. We got some Air Maxes. Like I said, a total of 39 pairs. These are the Jordan Retro 1 heels.
Another Air Max.
Another pair of Air Maxes. Another, ooh, these are the Air Max 07s.
Wow, those are fresh.
So, he reached out to me. We kept negotiating for a week.
What?
Duck boots.
Yeah,
Nike duck boots. Those
these
do really
duck
well.
boots sell. We got the green ones. Marshalls?
Yeah, $27 a pop on
So,
yellow tag.
Those flew off our shelves. Very popular. Maybe if you're not into it, does not mean that someone else out
Just
there.
look how ugly this is. The Jordan Retro ones with the heel.
Yeah, but
they
girls
sell.
are into rose gold. Like, it matches their accessories. They're gonna go for
We got
it.
about 10 pairs of these here. Alright, what's in there, baby?
This is another pair of Air Max. Oh, damn, these are fire.
And guys, if you guys come across Metcons, look them all up. Metcons do really, really well. MSRP here is 100. Like I said, we paid 23. I think these Metcons are going to go for 69 or 79. Let's see what else. But like we were saying, you know, you really need to network with people. Don't be scared of it.
Always another pair of those Air Max. Hey, cheers.
Ooh, yeah, matching ones.
Do you want to?
No, you keep buying shit.
No, you know, I wouldn't rock that color. But...
Yeah, I wouldn't rock those either.
Hey, but someone else out there will.
Yeah, what you think is ugly, someone else really, really like. Do we have anything else different in here? Yeah, we share those, right? Let's see what's in here.
Yes, the gray Air Max.
Another pair of them. Like I said, we picked up 39 pairs, $23 a pop. So, can't go wrong with 23 a pair for Nikes. These are going to go on both Posh and eBay. Burlington Coat Factory. Here is one we haven't opened any Burlington stuff, right?
Wow, baby, I was trying to be organized.
Yeah. You're lucky we on camera.
Fucking up the rotation. You can get killed with somebody else. That's some serious shit. You lucky you my boy.
I actually run the relationship, so
Yeah, she does.
So don't let him fool you
Happy wife, happy life.
by trying to be tough.
Woo! You're not keeping none of these watches. I don't think any of them are your style. So,
Oh my, definitely not. So
One.
these are Steve Madden.
they're not going to believe the price on these.
These are like those, remember when the
G-Shock,
G-Shocks?
they're still, G-Shocks are really popular.
Oh, not something I would sport, but
They're all different.
yeah,
So,
let's see.
on Burlington, we picked up, I think I got about 50 different watches, and they were $5 a pop. That's the same one you just showed?
Yeah, with the blue
All right, let's see if
bezel.
we got different ones. This is the black on blue. We got white on orange, and like I said, these were $4.99 a pop.
Was this like a Christmas deal or what?
No, this was just one of their clearance items.
How many
blue.
did you buy? Good Lord.
I got a lot of these.
There's
so we
probably about 30 in here. Well, let's
Ooh, look at this one, babe.
Ooh.
Look at this one. Blue on gold.
Yeah, I wouldn't wear it. No.
So $4.99 a pop. How many's in here?
There's 10, 19.
All right. Let's see if there's anything different. The yellow on gold. So like I said, we paid $5. I'm going to list these for probably, I don't know, 25, 30 bucks each. And we got a ton of them. And Burlington, I'm pretty disappointed in how you shipped. This isn't how you ship high-end items. Look at that, no bubble wrap, nothing.
I mean, packing peanuts are pretty cheap.
Look at the damage to a lot of these boxes. Now I can't even find one with every one I took out. Look at the damage there. And that's just because of the way that they shipped it.
Too bad.
Not cool, Burlington.
We could show you something, thing or two.
Yeah, we can teach you how to pack.
Take our course.
All right, here is something that we got for free from Kohl's.
This is from Kohl's, and you purchased it from our Kohl's cash?
Yep, the reason I say free is because we had $50 to spend in Kohl's cash. These were on clearance for 25 bucks a pop. I think I paid about $3 total, and look how dope these are.
Wow. All those Dodger fans out there, hit us up.
There you go, Dodger Blue. I got 2 pairs. Like I said, I think we paid about $3 after fees and shipping. But don't sleep on Kohl's, because when you buy on Kohl's online, you can use your Rakuten or a.k.a. eBates, whatever you call it. You get Kohl's cash. You get benefits for using your Kohl's credit card. So you can accumulate, big word.
Yeah, high five. Nice.
You can accumulate a lot of rewards. I got a feeling what's in there. You want to peek?
I think I know what it is too. Something we
it's
can't share, but
I see it there. All right, big Macy's.
so if you didn't tune in, turn in.
Turn down for what?
Turn down for what?
Turn down for what?
All right, they gotta play that now.
Okay.
All right, what do we got here? Man, an Arab with a box cutter.
Hey,
Oh,
we
my
had a
bad.
discussion. We are not doing any of those jokes.
What is it?
I don't know. Is it for me?
You are going to keep one of these.
What is it?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez, me. I'll let you open that one.
As long as you get out of here, 'cause
I'm
you can't
not
see
gonna
this.
say
You're
that.
gonna
I'm
keep
not
one of
gonna
these.
do
Yes, you are.
Okay, that backpack is too big for me because I can already tell the
Okay.
backpack.
All right.
Oh, how cute!
No?
Yeah.
All right, so we picked up, I think, 5 Michael Kors backpacks. I believe they were $48 a pop. We are going to list them for, I believe, $119 to $129. Don't quote me, but these were purchased at Macy's, and I think I got 4 or 5 of them.
Look how nicely they protected the band. I like that.
Yeah, you guys
Shout
can learn
out.
something from Macy's, Burlington. But like I said, I think we paid $46 to $48 if I'm not mistaken, and we're gonna sell them for about $120, $130.
Oh my goodness, it looks like someone puked on this bag. This is from Finish Line.
Shout out Finish Line.
It looks disgusting.
Cheers to anyone that's out there drinking, watching our unboxing video. Corona, I'm still waiting on that sponsorship. Funny thing is, I emailed them this morning asking what I can do to get sponsored.
Baby,
2020 goals.
are you an athlete?
I drink like one.
Baby, athletes don't drink.
Well then, make drinking a sport.
You're not gonna get.
I'll be the Tom Brady of drinking.
No, baby.
Shout out Corona. You need help, honey?
Yeah, that bag's like stuck in there.
Ooh, they're Nike.
No.
That looks like a Nike
My bad.
tag.
It's totally Nike.
Our favorite size, double XL.
Double XL. What
I
are
don't know
they?
what the hell it is.
Shorts. Loose fit shorts. Oh dang!
Finish line?
Look at that. This looks like something a boxer would come out to,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we'll see what Deontay Wilder wears tonight with
Yes.
his crazy ass outfits.
So it is a Saturday afternoon.
We are doing an unboxing video before the fight.
And then we have the Wilder versus Fury fight later. That's going to be a good time. It's raining here in Southern California, which is really
Probably
weird.
doesn't rain in Southern California.
Seems it never rains in Southern California.
I know. We're like, our dogs won't go outside. They don't know what's going on. Why?
Our dogs are bougie.
Yeah, they're like, why is there water coming out of the sky? They don't get it. So this is another repeat. It's a first for this episode, but this is
$2.70
from part 1 of our unboxing. This is a Reeboks tank top. I think we paid $2. What did you just say?
$2.70, and we're gonna sell it for $15 to $17.
I know you just said that, but I've learned to tune him out most of the time.
Oh, okay. I see how it is. Where is this from, honey?
Here, I'm playing with you. REI. Wow, that's a new one. Is this a bolo?
Yes, but let's share it. Because I paid a lot of money for this, and it sells really good. So this is something that we put in West Coast deals, but it's not available for this price anymore. But
Oh, that's fancy.
yes, so this is a pack safe. I think it is a water cooler backpack, if I'm not mistaken. We paid, I believe it was $68, and on Amazon these were going for $190. I think the MSRP on them was $250, if I'm not mistaken. It's not on here. I don't know who the hell would pay that much, but like I said.
Babe, people are huge on their backpacks.
Look at this, babe.
Yeah. Wow, this is heavy
Yeah, it's
duty.
chain wire.
And this goes on Amazon?
Yeah.
Well,
we
I
paid
will take that because I am working on my next Amazon shipment now. Well, after
go.
the video.
So, and the best part about being able to source for her on Amazon, doing OA, is you just give her the box and she does the rest.
Well, it goes both ways because I just went out
I did
sourcing
not go
yesterday. Sam doesn't go both ways.
All right. Exit only.
Babe, come on.
Sorry. I will try to tone it down for the snow bunnies. See? I caught myself.
Wow. Anyway, so while I'm out doing my RA for Amazon, if I see something and I know it's profitable but not profitable on
But
Amazon,
will you look it up on eBay?
I do. If it's name brand and I know it's going to do well, I'll spend my time and look it up for Sam and bring it home. Like,
Oh,
I'll do
you're
that
so
for you.
sweet.
I know, I love you.
So sweet. All right. What do we got here?
Excuse me.
No excuse for you. All right.
Okay, Pro?
Bro.
Yeah, 2 in.
All right. Bro.
Pro? Pro. All right, so these are from
Kohl's.
Kohl's. Yes, they are from Kohl's. But
19 something.
from part 1 video, Sam explained, or maybe it was cut out because my camera shut off.
Yeah, I don't recall, but we picked up, I think, about 20 sets of comforters. They were all
Sheets,
under comforter
comforters.
sheets, a full set.
Yeah.
They were all, I mean, they weren't all under 20, but the total of what I paid made each one, I think, 19 something. And they sell between 59 and some were 89, most were 69, 79. They were Toy Story, Mickey Mouse, Star Wars, and Lion King. So we picked up about 20 bed sets. MSRP on this one is 59. So like I said, we paid under 20 a pop. Most of them are going to go 60 to.
Thanks. And it's Disney. Like, who doesn't love Disney?
And they had a special on Kohl's cash that day. So they didn't
Win-win. I'm breaking shit. What the hell? Sorry, I cursed. It's not broken.
Alright, so we know what's in here. I don't think we need to open it. It is more Adidas slides. Like I said, I think we We picked up close to 100 pairs. I don't know exactly.
You do know there's an unboxing
All
video?
right, let's unbox.
I'm pretty sure
Let's see
people
if
want
there's
to watch
different.
us unbox stuff.
I think they just want to watch us drink coffee and beer. Can I smell your coffee?
Sure.
Let me smell.
Vanilla hazelnut.
That don't smell like vanilla hazelnut to me. That smells like Moscato. Alright. We are getting there. Hopefully these are different than the Duramo ones we just unboxed. Let's see. Alright, we got some regular sizes here. Yes, they are different. These are the Adelaide showers. These are definitely going on Amazon. Ooh, be careful opening them because we don't want to damage boxes for Amazon.
Are you going to be listing these today?
You are going to be listing these today.
I don't list eBay.
These are Amazon.
Oh, okay. I'll be listing these
So
today.
we got these in all colors. They had like the NYX blue and orange, these red and blacks. And like I said, I think we got about 5 in every size. And they were $6 to $8 each depending on style. Do you want to see if there's any different ones so we can show them?
We have the
Here's
blue.
a different color. Here's black on white.
We have the blue on white.
Like I said, we got 5 of every size and every color. And one thing that we did do when purchasing these is for every $200, we went to Raise.com and we picked up a Raise gift card. Raise gift cards for Adidas are typically 9% off. So 18 off of 200, we paid about $182 for a $200 gift card. So we saved $18 for every 200 we spent. Plus there was 5% Ebates. So there's a lot of money to be saved. If you guys don't have Ebates or Rakuten,
Yes.
I'll put a
The link below for sure.
below for you guys.
I just got my check the other day.
I'm waiting on mine. If you guys sign up using our link, I believe you get $10 when you spend your first 20, and we get 25. So
Yeah.
it helps us and it helps you.
Yes, and you do nothing, honestly.
You click a button, that's it.
That's all it is. Whenever you're purchasing online, so we
Not
do a
just
lot of
online,
OA.
babe. You could do it in store now. So you get that added benefit. Put those away, honey.
Well, we're running out of room, baby.
Well, quit buying stuff. Ooh, this is big box.
So this is from Kohl's, and this is more. These are more of those comforters.
Frozen 2.
And this is Mickey and the Roadster Racers.
Look at that MSRP. $80. I think we're gonna
Wow.
list this. I think this one was about 70 on eBay. Like I said, we paid $19.80, I believe.
We have Lion King, another Frozen, and another Lion King.
So like I said, we bought about 20 of these, and we did really well with comforters and bed sheets. They do cost a little bit more to ship unless you're shipping them local, but if you get them cheap enough, there is room for profit.
And the other downside is they take up a lot of room.
Yeah.
So
We've already hit our ceiling.
since it's not for Amazon, it's in our warehouse, our 3-car garage, which we have turned into our warehouse. And
We're
so
maxed out in space.
yeah, so these we price at a price that we know it's going to flip very quickly.
Yeah, we don't want to sit on this because
Yeah.
these will take up a lot of space. But, you know, newer things like newer Disney movies like Frozen 2 and the much newer stuff always goes quickly. So, all right.